In today's top cryptocurrency news, May 25, 2023, in the first new, Bitpanda secures licensing agreement with Coinbase as part of strategic partnership. As part of the collaboration, Bitpanda will incorporate Coinbase Exchange into its roster of authorized liquidity providers. In the second new, Norway could go its own way on crypto asset regulation, central bank suggests. International regulation may be too slow and may represent interests that are not in line with Norway's, Norges Bank suggests in an annual report. In the third new, Meta's new Megabyte system solves one of the biggest roadblocks for GPTs. Researchers at Meta AI may have developed a way to get around the tokenization problem with GPT models. In the fourth new, 7 central banks and BIS continue examination of ongoing policy issues for retail CBDC. The Bank for International Settlements has published the 5th paper by the group, highlighting its latest thinking on a potential retail CBDC. In the 5th new, Binance suspends deposits for bridge tokens, seeks clarity from Multichain team. Transactions on the Multichain protocol have been delayed across multiple cross-chain bridges without a clear explanation. In the 6th new, debt ceiling crisis, best practices to navigate this market. Join us as we discuss the current US debt ceiling crisis and what it means for Bitcoin and the crypto market. In the 7th new, Synthetix, SNX, trading volume overtakes GMX, but is the DEX token rally sustainable? Volumes at Synthetix surpassed its nearest DEX competitor, but contracting user activity across decentralized exchanges could be a red flag. In the 8th new, DeFi protocol WDZD Swap exploited for $1.1 million, CertiK. The reported attacker is a known exploiter, labeled fake_phishing 750 by BSC Scan. In the 9th new, ripe for the squeeze? Bitcoin mining stocks remain under attack from short sellers. BTC price has struggled for nearly a month, but Bitcoin miners' revenue is up, calling into question the logic of short sellers betting against mining stocks. In the 10th new, Bitcoin losing its 200-week trendline puts $20,000 in play, BTC price analysis. BTC price action gives analysts reasons to be bearish, while Bitcoin shuns volatility from the day's macro triggers. In the 11th new, Sam Altman's WorldCoin secures $115 million for decentralized ID. Funds will be used to support the decentralized World ID and the recently released crypto wallet World app. VC firms A16Z Crypto, Bain Capital Crypto, and Distributed Global are investors in the round. In the 12th new, OpenAI warns European officials over upcoming AI regulations. The CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, spoke with European officials in Brussels warning over the ramifications of overregulation of the AI industry. In the 13th new, in the US, targeted crypto legislation could start the ball rolling. Is the EU's crypto regulatory framework a useful model for US legislators? Can a security token really morph into a utility token? In the 14th new, getting a home loan using crypto collateral, insane or just risky? You can use crypto as collateral to get a home loan, but as one Bitcoin OG found out, it's super risky and you can lose the lot. In the 15th new, Nvidia AI chip value skyrockets amid AI development boom. The chip developer released its second quarter revenue forecast, which was 50% higher than market estimates, followed by a 28% increase in company shares. In the 16th new, Circle launches euro-based stablecoin on Avalanche blockchain. Circle launched EUROC last year as a regulated stablecoin, which means that each token is fully backed by euro reserves held at United States-regulated financial institutions. In the 17th new, EU watchdog warns about the risk of a bank run on stablecoins. The European Systemic Risk Board suggests more disclosures and monitoring to fight the risks of the crypto market. In the 18th new, account abstraction could change how institutions interact with Ethereum, Safe co-founder. In episode 21 of Hashing It Out, Lucas Score, co-founder of Safe, explains that account abstraction could change how instructions and DAOs interact with the Ethereum blockchain. In the 19th new, why is Bitcoin price down today? Bitcoin price is down today as investors' focus shifts toward the US dollar, which has surged to a 2-month high. In the 20th new, Germany's recession triggers responses from the crypto community. One community member thinks that, in this case, all speculative markets, including crypto, will lose ground. In the 21st new, South Korea passes bill to make officials disclose Bitcoin holdings. The Kim Nam-guk prevention law comes in response to a scandal involving some National Assembly members moving large amounts of crypto. In the 22nd new, Chinese state media removes video on crypto after Binance CEO calls it big deal. Although China has maintained a hostile stance against crypto, the recent developments in Hong Kong have many speculating about its impact on China. In the 23rd new, Binance Pay sees growing interest in Africa, Eurasia, and Eastern Europe. Major markets are adopting Binance Pay to introduce cryptocurrency-based payments for everyday goods and services. In the 24th new, 7 ChatGPT plugins to enhance productivity. Boost your productivity with ChatGPT plugins and streamline your workflow right from the chat interface. In the 25th new, Bitcoin holds $20,000 realized price as analyst eyes big moves coming. Bitcoin panic is unwarranted, Philip Swift suggests, with BTC price action conforming to expectations on longer time frames. In the 26th new, first look at the Bitcoin Tower in Dubai, Dev shares initial design. Real estate developer Salvatore Leggero said the tower would have a virtual version in the metaverse. In the 27th new, Fahrenheit wins bid to acquire assets of crypto lender Celsius. The consortium, which includes Errington Capital, outbid Novawolf to acquire Celsius Networks assets, while the Blockchain Recovery Investment Consortium serves as a backup bid. In the 28th new, German banks slowly adopt crypto, mostly for institutional investors. Doubts regarding crypto remain among German banks, but there is a growing concern about missing out on a potentially game-changing development. In the 29th new, crypto industry leveled in 2022, BitMEX CEO. BitMEX CEO Stefan Lutz reflected on a tumultuous 2022 for the cryptocurrency industry, the effects of the FTX fallout and other recent major events. In the 30th new, Ron DeSantis vows to protect Bitcoin during presidential campaign launch. Florida's current governor announced his bid for the 2024 U.S. presidency during a Twitter space with Elon Musk and rounded off with remarks on the cryptocurrency. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.